Hello and welcome to the Nourishment Hut, your go-to place for all things health and wellness. Our content and videos are for informational and educational purposes only. We are not medical professionals, nutritionists, dietitians, or fitness instructors. Hence, the advice and recipes you find here should not replace professional medical advice. We strongly recommend you to read our medical disclaimer located in the description area of this video before continuing. We aim to inspire and provide you with healthier alternatives for your meals, but your health and safety are our utmost priority. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump right into some delicious protein salad recipes that can help you make smarter meal choices. Ever wondered how to make your meals healthier while still enjoying the taste? Well, you're in the right place. The key to weight loss isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making smarter choices. Protein salads, for instance, offer a delightful blend of taste and nutrition. They're easy to prepare, packed with essential nutrients, and most importantly, they're absolutely delicious. In this video, we'll share 3 simple yet scrumptious protein salad recipes. Stay tuned as we discover our first protein-packed salad recipe that's both delicious and beneficial for weight loss. First up, we have the quinoa and grilled chicken salad, a powerhouse of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Let's dive into how to create this delightful dish. Start by cooking a cup of quinoa as per the instructions on the packet. Simultaneously grill your chicken breast until it's perfectly cooked. While those are in progress, chop up a medley of your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. Once everything is ready, combine them all in a large bowl and toss gently. Now, let's talk health benefits. Quinoa is a complete protein and a great source of fiber. This not only aids in weight loss, but also helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Grilled chicken, being a lean protein, keeps you fuller for longer, curbing those pesky cravings. And the veggies, they're loaded with necessary vitamins and minerals that keep your body functioning at its best. This salad is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a step towards your weight loss journey. Next on our list is the tofu and edamame salad, a wonderful choice for vegetarians and vegans. Let's begin by mixing together cubed tofu, edamame beans, and an assortment of your favorite vegetables. Perhaps bell peppers for a bit of crunch, cucumbers for a refreshing hint, or tomatoes for a burst of color and flavor. Now, why is this salad such a nutritional powerhouse? Well, tofu is a low-calorie food that's packed with protein, making it a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Then we have edamame, a vibrant green soybean that's rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin K, which can help maintain healthy bones. And don't forget about our colorful veggies. Each one adds a unique blend of nutrients, helping to create a well-rounded meal that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Enjoy this salad and know that you're providing your body with the nourishment it needs. Last but not the least, we have the salmon and avocado salad. Begin by grilling your salmon to perfection, then slice up a ripe avocado. Toss these into a bed of mixed greens of your choice. Each ingredient here plays a crucial role. Salmon is a powerhouse of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while avocado is lauded for its healthy fats and fiber. The mixed greens offer a kaleidoscope of nutrients. With this salad, you're not only satisfying your hunger, but also aiding your weight loss. And that wraps up our protein salad series. We've explored 3 sumptuous, nutrient-packed salads that can power your weight loss journey. Give these recipes a whirl and feel the difference. Remember, the journey to weight loss starts with a single step. Start yours with these protein salads today. For more info on recipes, recipe measurements, and nutritional facts, please refer to our Amazon Finds area located in the description box, where you'll find recipe books and more. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have a wonderful, nutritious day.